Okay, so I am here at the house on Lower Cattle Drive, just north of Sisters. While we're outside here, I want to point out a few things. First of all, that structure right there, that is an outdoor bar that I'll show you later. Grill station, outdoor kitchen, basically. This is a detached 2-car garage, just storage, plus a tool shed off the back there. The road going around back of this property, that is kind of a main north to south road. So even though you're in a neighborhood, you'll get a bit of that road traffic. Okay, so let's take a look. Alright, so you walk in. It's a wood stove, access slider off to the deck, living area, dining, and kitchen. The kitchen is nice and big. Yeah, really big. A lot of space in the middle, so I like how they put that butcher's block there. There's brand new appliances. A lot has been done to this house recently. But just a nice, big, great room area. Okay. So after that, you have another door to the deck. Straight ahead, there's a small office. Nice built-in deck. And then this is the master bedroom. It's quite large. Walk-in closet through there. And then behind me, through these cowboy doors, you have the master bathroom. So separate toilet area, double vanity, and then a jetted tub shower with tile. Okay. And through the swinging doors, okay, I'm going to show you something. Okay, so off of here to the left is a nice concrete pad for an RV. It's this entire corner lot. Nice and irrigated. The deck is like a Trex type deck. Okay, so back inside. Yeah, there's wood paneling. I feel like it's dark in here because of the wood paneling on the ceiling and the walls. And that stained glass is pretty neat. Okay, so on the other side of the house, to the left, you have a tiled laundry room. To the right, you have the second bathroom with this pebble like tile flooring all the way through. So a lot of times you'll just see that in a shower, but it's all the way through in this one. It's a big granite slab, single vanity, and then beautiful walk-in shower. Yeah, it's quite big. Okay, and then off this hallway you have two bedrooms. These aren't tiny guest bedrooms. So they're nice and big, kind of equal. Actually, this one's a bit smaller than the other one, but large. That's a queen size bed. Just smaller closets in here. Okay, so let's So big wraparound deck. You can kind of get a feel for traffic on this road. This road's called Camp Polk Road. As long as there's, as long as there's nobody going by, it's nice and quiet out here. Okay, ponderosa tree coming right out of the deck. And then this is pretty neat. Pretty awesome outdoor kitchen with electricity, beautiful grill, cooktop, and then storage. There's a heat pump and a couple water spigots around the property. And then that outbuilding there that matches the house. Okay. Thanks, guys.